I'm going to show you what we're talking about with the profiles here and how to set up your Google Classroom code inside your gradebook. So the first thing I want you to notice is that, again, Genesis is done in tabs. So up top you'll see Gradebook, Webdesk, Info, and then on our second row of tabs you're going to see all the way over here one called your profile. And I want you to click on profile. Once you do, you're going to notice the two profiles that are being used right now are being offered to you in the 2020-2021 school year. You may have had a profile you like to use last year, so you click on the last year tab, and then from there you can copy one that you may have used for your other classes into 2020-2021. Sure you want to copy, and you can say OK. And now when you go to your list of profiles for this year, you will notice that you have 3 profiles. And I just want to show you how we add a category very easily to Genesis in our profile. You'll see here these classes are linked to this profile, so if I go to create an assignment or a grade in one of these classes, it will use this profile. So this is where I want to change my categories, and I simply click on total categories. All right, and then what I can do is I'm going to add a new category, and as the instructions say, Google Classroom. All right, and then for my description I will even do that. Google class code. All right, and you can leave the grading type numeric. And when we click on create, here's the important part of this. This is very straightforward from the beginning. You can see our percentages are 0, 0, 0, and 0. When using a progress assessment weighted gradebook, you need to keep progress assessment weighted at 10%, and regardless of how many other categories you have or create, your total for other and any remaining categories you would have cannot exceed 90%. So once again, progress assessment always has to be worth 10% of each marking period, and as many categories as you want to add, as long as the rest of them equal 90, you'll have a good gradebook. All right, so moving forward with Google Class Code, you can see right here. Let's head over to our gradebook. So we're going to click on the gradebook tab, and once I do, I want to go to my quick button over here under quick links and add the assignment. And on my assignment header, I can put Google Class, and I'm going to paste the number of the class right there. Now when I hit tab, you'll notice in the column header that it cuts off most of the code. So I'm going to get a little clever here, and I'm going to do GC code, and then I'm going to type again, copy and paste the actual class code. All right, and then according to the instructions, you want to go with a date that takes place during the school year. So we'll just grab September 7th for demonstration purposes, and our category, we're going to choose Google Class Code, and your max value you're going to put in as 0 points, and you want to make sure it is showing in the parent module and in your gradebook so that anyone can get to your Google Class Code. Now this class code that I put in here is not a student class code. Shameless plug here, if you follow this class code, it'll put you in my Tech Tips classroom. Okay, you will notice that you can also put the entirety of this. I'm going to copy that, and you can put that into the description if you'd like to as well. All right, and I can click on Save Assignment. And again, it's back here for you. All right, so that's how you're going to add your Google Class Code to each classroom.